Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to get free Robux by completing surveys in 2025. Now you heard me right, we're gonna get free Robux just by completing surveys and not paying any money. So let's get started for this one by simply going first on your Play Store or your App Store. So this is applicable for iOS devices and Android devices. By going in here, I'm gonna search up Robux right there on the search bar. So again, that will be Robux. Or sorry about that, that will be Roblox. And then just making sure here that my application is up to date. As you can see right here, there is a latest version just today, but however, my version right now is already applicable, which is gonna be just before the version that's gonna be updated for 2.675.715 minus 714, which is also applicable. On your end, I suggest you update this one. Moving forward, once you're done with that one, access your Google browser by Safari, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or even Edge moving forward. So just by right there, I'm just gonna access this one. Go to all for one site. Just simply click on sign up. I'm already signed in, so it says sign out here. So what can we do there? By clicking this one, it has 20 balance. If I click another more, I have 40 and 60 right there. If I click on withdraw here, moving forward, I have cash rewards. I can go for game rewards right here. For example, Roblox. As you can see right there, 3K, 5K, 13K, and 25K gives me corresponding Robux. Now, if I choose the least one, as you can see, not enough coins. What if I did have enough coins on my end, around 3,000? I can just simply choose one here, enter my username from Roblox or Roblox just by clicking this one and enable the username right there. And then that website will send me the money. What's the catch? So around here, if now go back on home, I click on balance, I think around 500 and above, there will be some surveys. Just simply answer those and you can still add some coins here. It's gonna be easy as that, okay? So that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.